I got a hankering for some fried chicken, but I don't want to fry it. What am I going to do? Well, let me show you what I've come up with. Got me some chicken legs, and I've got a little bit of olive oil that I'm just going to brush lightly over my chicken, and I'll put it back onto the plate. So I'm not frying it in oil, but I am coating it lightly. So you can take that or leave it however you want. But I do want this to taste like it's fried. It's not something that I usually have. So we're just going to coat it. And then I've got some seasonings in a bowl. I've got salt, pepper, some garlic, some onion, a little bit of smoked paprika, and a little bit of Lawry's. So now I've got my chicken coated. I'm going to put these aside so I've got room here. And I'm just going to sprinkle seasoning on the whole piece, on all sides. And then, because I didn't have a pan that I can put in the oven where it would drip, the juices would drip off, I went ahead and did something makeshift. All I did was get myself a sheet pan, put some parchment down, and this is just an inverted tray that I have for my my little baking oven. It's a, what do you call it? I can't remember what it is. It's a little toaster oven. So I'm just going to set these on here like that. Anything that's going to drip down is going to drip down onto the paper, so it's not going to be coated in any of that oil. And we're just going to go like that. And this will be a simply easy made supper that'll be very tasty. And there you have it. And we're just going to stick this in the oven at 350. All right, the chicken is done, and look at that crispy goodness. I did turn this about a little bit more than halfway through, but it turned out really well. Let's take a bite of this and see what it tastes like. Okay. Ooh, comes apart really nice. Easily cut with a fork. Tender, flavorful skin. Maybe some of you don't like the skin. Very good, very easy to make. A few things you do to it, put it in the oven, let it do its thing, and you got supper. So when you think you don't have time for supper, come home from work, whatever you're doing, put it in the oven, let it do all the work, and then you can enjoy all the goodness. I hope you make some crispy, not fried chicken. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I baked that at 350 for about an hour.